about the theory behind the people's motivations. Usually in tourism, there are theories that we use to explain the motivation behind people traveling. Okay, so for today, I'm going to talk about Maslow hierarchy of needs, the leisure motivation scale by Beard and Rakoff, and also Bloch's allocentrism and psychocentrism model. Okay, so these are the three theories that I will use to explain the motives or the motivation behind people's traveling. Okay, let's go first with the Maslow hierarchy of needs. This is a very long theory. Okay, it's been talked about this for a long time, since 1960s, 1970s. Okay, so with Maslow proposed that there are motives behind the behavior of the people. Okay, so Maslow said there are needs that motivate people to do something. Okay, so when people have needs, okay, they want to satisfy the needs, so that's why that needs motivate them to behave in certain way. So with Maslow, there are 5 levels of needs. That's why they call hierarchy of needs. Okay, so start from the lower basic need to self-actualization. Okay, so what are the 5 hierarchy of needs of Maslow? Okay, it starts with the very first or the lower levels of needs, which is the physiological needs. Okay, with the physiological needs, it can be explained that people or humans have the needs to satisfy the physical, okay, needs like food, shelter, water, clothes. So the basically physiological needs is just basic human needs. And the next one would be the safety and security needs. So with the safety and security needs, people or humans have the needs to feel safe and feel secure. They want stability, okay, they want order, they want protections. That is the safety needs. The next level would be social needs. With the social needs or the sense of belongingness needs, is that humans need affections. Okay, we need to be loved. We need sense of community. We want the sense of belonging. Okay, that is the social needs. Next would be the esteem. Okay, esteem needs would be the sense or the needs to be respect and the respect of others, the self-respect, the competence, the independence, and the feeling of achievement. So those are the esteem needs. The highest levels of Maslow hierarchy of needs would be the self-actualization. With the self-actualization, I usually use the term be all you can be to explain these self-actualizations. Okay, so this need would be the need to satisfy personal growth. Okay, the sense of fulfillment. Okay, to reach your full potential. Those are the self-actualization needs. And actually, there are 2 more needs that Maslow has proposed, but not very often mentioned. Those are the aesthetic needs and the needs to know. With these 2 needs, has a very important aspect to tourism. Let's see if we can apply Maslow hierarchy needs to tourist motivation. Okay, so let's say physiological needs. With the physiological needs, we said that it's basic human needs. So when people travel, they would expect the suitable hotel rooms, the high quality of restaurant, the feeling of comfortable, okay, comfort life. Those would be the physiological needs that we want to satisfy. So if we travel, we would look for the place that we can stay comfortably, and we want to have food at the place that we feel that is a good food to eat. The safety needs also. Okay, when we travel, okay, if we look for or we want to satisfy the safety needs, we would look for the place that we feel safe or has safe environment. The place is safe to stay, and the place is safe to travel. Okay, it's free from harms or like robbery or terrorists. Those are the safety needs. Okay, so those tourists, if we want to satisfy the safety needs, they would look for the place that they make them feel safe and secure. And with the social needs is the sense of love, the sense of belongingness. So basically, when we travel, we want to feel that we have human interaction. We can interact with other people. We can have friends. We can have network. We go to the place that have friendly atmosphere. and the place that provide warm welcome, the place that we feel that we are welcome to go and they're happy to see, and also the place that we get to interact with other people, with friends and also local people. So those are the social needs. With the esteem needs is just the sense that of self-respect or also the respect of others, and the sense of being important sometimes, or status. That would be the in category of esteem needs. So I want to satisfy the esteem need when we travel. So we will go to the place that will make us feel important sometimes, or make us feel respect ourselves, or sometimes go to the place that we can respect others. Okay, the place that can improve the skills, improve the status. Okay, or sometimes some people like to go to unique place, the place that never been visited before, because those are the places that they feel special, the place that make them feel that they are one of a kind, or they are not the same as other people. Okay, they make them unique. So that will help their esteem. And also the sense of sharing also would help the esteem of people also. With the self-actualization, like I said, be all you can be when you reach your full potential. So when you go to this place, okay, when you travel, the motive is just be all you can be, just do the thing that you love. And sometimes the activities such as do good for others, okay, you can help local people. That would help, satisfy the self-actualization needs of Maslow. Okay, so with this, Maslow also proposed that. So since there are the hierarchy of needs, that's imply the lower to the higher order. So Maslow would propose that the higher order needs will motivate people once the lower order are satisfied. So that is the proposition of Maslow hierarchy of needs. So with that concept, there are the concept of travel career ladder. Okay, so that go along with the Maslow. It proposed that travelers' needs or motives are organized hierarchically. Okay, so the core idea or the core concept underlying this is that the individual's travels motivation change with his or her travel experience. Think about it. When we have never been someplace, okay, let's just say when we start to travel, we usually go with the flow or go where other people go. Okay, we will go with the tour agency, tour package already available. So that's provide the comfort that we know that we would do things that other people have experienced before, and then we will be safe. Okay, so we would follow the path of others basically. But once we have travel experience, and also we travel often enough, we know what's going on. Okay, so next we would not go to the same path. We might go to the same place, but we may not follow the same path that we once followed because we already experienced. So we will do something different. Okay, we will do something different. You may not go with the tour agency, but you will plan your own trips like that, because it's almost like you climb a travel career ladder, because you know what's going on. You experienced traveler, so you can do things of your own.